Today I'm teaching you guys how to change Mac login wallpaper on a MacBook Air M1. So I don't have the MacBook Air, but I have the M1 that is Pro. So as you can see here, MacBook Pro right there. And so what you're gonna wanna do here is just head over to the desktop and then right click. If you don't have your right click, you might have it on default settings, and all you need to do is just double tap, just like that, and it should activate. But you can change that in the trackpad settings. Once you're over here, you're gonna wanna look through all these options and head down to change wallpaper. So the background wallpaper and the start wallpaper, which should be if you just press this button, it'll then lock your Mac, and then this is the wallpaper that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock it. As you can see here, you have a bunch of information, and within here you can basically change like your wallpaper, just like this. So feel free to pick any one you want. Personally, I like mine on rotation. As you can see, I have the shuffle landscape every day, and it just shuffles through the landscapes. You can choose whatever you want. You can even add a photo from your own photo, so it's entirely up to you. And then once you have that set up, you can basically just change it. So that's how you do it. Hopefully this helped, and if it did, leave a like and subscribe.